In this tutorial video, I will be showing you how to complete step 6, which is to map categories. However, this is optional. The two options at the top are to sync the changes you make on Wholesale 2B to your Shopify store. If these are on, and you decide to edit your categories and tags in Wholesale 2B, it will automatically be changed on your Shopify store as well. We recommend you keep both these options on. Here on the left, these are the supplier categories. If you want these supplier categories to enter your store category in your store, then enter your store category in this blank field. This is called mapping. If you want all the supplier categories displayed on this page to be under your store category, then you can enter your store categories one by one. This is only a one-time thing. Then everything is set. If you want multiple supplier categories to be under one store category, then you can enter the same store category in the blank fields. You will also need to enter your store tag. You can use these two search filters. You can search for mapped or unmapped categories. And you can search for certain suppliers. Here is an example of mapping. In this example, I entered an existing category in my store, which is Airsoft. These supplier categories will be displayed under the category Airsoft in my store. Now, you cannot use subcategories when mapping categories for Shopify. This is an example of using subcategories. This will not work, so avoid doing this. If you leave these fields blank, then the supplier categories will be used. You can also map items individually by clicking on this link. Then enter your store category and store tag. If you click on the item code, you will be brought to the item page. If you click on the supplier name, you will be brought to the supplier page. That's all you need to know. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video for future tutorial videos.